In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Shopify to manage your store's collections. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your current setup, this guide will help you streamline your product organization effortlessly. First, let's begin by heading over to your Shopify admin dashboard. You'll be greeted by the home page, which serves as a central hub for managing all aspects of your store. It's a good idea to become familiar with this page since it's your main point of contact for everything Shopify related. Once you're on the home page, the next step is to locate the Products option on the left sidebar. Click on it. This section is crucial as it contains detailed information about each product that you're selling. It's where you go to add new items, track inventory, and manage product descriptions. Navigating through this section regularly helps keep your store up to date, ensuring customers receive the most accurate information. From the Products page, you'll want to delve deeper into your store's organization by selecting Collections. Collections in Shopify are groups of products. For example, you might have collections for summer sale items, bestsellers, or new arrivals. Creating collections can significantly improve the shopping experience by helping customers find what they need quickly. When you're in the Collections tab, look for an option named New Test. It might sound peculiar, but it's likely a placeholder or test collection. By clicking into this section, you can explore how collections are structured, learn to edit them, or even remove tests and replace them with real collections specific to your store's needs. Next, you'll see an option to adjust the sort order for this collection. The sort order determines how your products appear to customers when they visit a collection page. Setting the right sort order is important as it can influence customer purchases. Whether you're prioritizing your best sellers, displaying new arrivals, or emphasizing discounted items, make sure to choose a sort order that aligns with your sales strategy. Navigating Shopify and understanding how to utilize collections effectively can unlock more sales opportunities for your store. Taking time to familiarize yourself with these basic tools can result in a more intuitive and rewarding shopping experience for your customers. As you implement these steps, keep experimenting with different layouts and organizational methods to see what best fits your brand and clientele. Remember, ongoing refinement of your product offerings and their presentation can have a significant impact on your online presence and sales success. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful as you enhance your Shopify store.